Hello scholars, let's start with our chapter 3 safety and first aid. What is safety? Safety means to protect ourselves from harm or staying away from harm is called as the safety. Now, why to protect ourselves? So that we can avoid accidents. Okay. So, what is the meaning of accidents? You might have thinking, fine. So accidents means the unplanned or unfortunate event that happen unexpectedly. Okay. So these accidents they can happen anytime. For example, okay, if you are at home and you are playing with the sharp objects, fine, then what may happen? You may have a cut, okay, in your finger. So that is the accident. So these accidents can happen anytime and we need to follow some rules, some safety rules to avoid them. So in this topic, we are going to learn about the road safety and first aid. Here you can see the two pictures. In first picture, two children, they are crossing the road. Between the vehicles, parked vehicles, and in second picture one boy is running on the road. Do you think is it the good? Not at all, because they may meet with an accident, is it? That's why two rules are written there. First rule in the first picture tells that we should not cross the street walking between parked vehicles, and in second, don't run on roads. Why should we keep our road safe? If we are not keeping our road safe, means if we are not keeping ourselves safe on the road, then we may meet with an accident. Here one number is given and it is that 1,51,000. This number tells that the number of people died in 2018 due to road accidents in our country. Now these accidents happen due to negligence. So road safety is every road user's responsibility. It may be driver, it may be pedestrian. So the one who is using the road, so it is everyone's responsibility. And to keep ourselves safe on the road, we should follow some safety rules. Here are some safety rules. First, wear seat belts. Wear helmet for two-wheeler. Always cross the zebra crossing when signal is red. Do not run on the road. Look carefully and then cross the road. Always walk on the footpath. So, here are some rules, safety rules we should follow on the roads. Along with these safety rules, many times we see a device, okay, with three colors, and every time one color it is the bright one. So this signaling device which is put on crossing so that traffic can move safely is called as the traffic signal or traffic light. So because of this traffic light, traffic just move safely. Otherwise what will happen? There will be chaos everywhere. So the three colors in the traffic light has significant message. The red color says stop, yellow color says wait, and green color says go. So every time one of the light it becomes bright and gives us the message what to follow, whether to stop, whether to wait, or whether to go. Along with this signaling device, that is traffic light, you might have seen some signs on the road which helps to reduce the risk of accidents. They help the traffic to move in a disciplined order, and these signs are called as the traffic signs or road signs. Here you can see 6 of these road signs. You will get more in your chapter. So in the first picture, the left side turn. Okay, the arrow is to left side, tells us no left turn. Second says no horn please. Third, hospital ahead, no parking, no U-turn and stop. So actually these are the rules which we should follow, and they have given in the form of signs. Now there are some emergency numbers that you should know. If you see, or if you are in trouble, if you need help, okay, at that time you can call or you can dial 100, which is the number of police. If you see fire somewhere, okay, you have to call the fire brigade, and the number is 101. And if you find that anyone from your family or from your neighborhood is not well and need to be hospitalized, at that time we should call the ambulance, and its number is 102 or 108. So scholars, let's revise it again. 100 for police, 101 for fire station, and 102 for ambulance. So these three are the emergency numbers that we should remember. So scholars, I hope you have understood about how to protect ourselves on the road, how to read some signs or what is the meaning of the signs which are placed on the road, and the three emergency numbers. In next video, we will learn about the first aid. Thank you.